Should I renovate my home in today's market before listing it? Are you currently looking to list your property but are wondering what you need to fix up or how much renovation you should do before you list? In today's market, many sellers wonder how much work they should do before listing, and is it worth it to actually do it? Hi, I'm Mary McMichael-Liston with the McMichael-Liston team and Keller Williams Classic Properties Realty. The answer to this question is yes and no, depending on what's happening in your local market. In today's market, increased inventory has given buyers more options than previous years. This means as a homeowner, you may not be able to ignore some updates or repairs that may not have been necessary or could have been overlooked in previous months. A recent article from Realtor.com states, to stand out in today's market, sellers should make their home attractive to buyers, which usually means some selective updates. However, since we are still in a seller's market, renovating a few key areas in your home may be enough to make your home stand out from the competition. And you'll need to consider the return on your investment. According to the 2020 Remodeling Impact Report from the National Association of Realtors, and I quote, "Hardwood flooring, refinishing, and putting in new wood floors are the most significant value in today's market." Also, what's just as important is to make sure your real estate agent knows of any upgrades that you've previously done. This way they can properly market to make buyers aware of your features and improvements. And finally, the best recommendation is to spend your time and money wisely by consulting a professional agent to see where the best focus should be. Feel free to reach out to my team and I so we can go over the best strategy of renovations to optimize the sale of your home so you can get the best return on your investment. I'm Mary McMichael-Liston with the McMichael-Liston team and Keller Williams Classic Properties Realty. And as always, uncommon service, proven results.